Frequency sound is defined by its frequency, which is the number of pressure variations per second measured in hertz. This frequency determines a sound's pitch, with higher numbers creating higher pitches. A healthy young person can typically hear frequencies ranging from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Anything below this range is Our hearing range spans from 0 decibels, which is the softest sound we can detect, up to 130 decibels, which is the threshold where sound becomes physically painful. It is also important to note that our ears do not perceive loudness in a straight line. While an increase of 6 decibels doubles the actual sound pressure, it typically takes an increase of 8